You've got a meeting to go to, and your favorite shirt needs a wash, but you just can't wait for the normal cycle to finish. LG's Turbo Wash's Jet Spray Rinse sprays a powerful stream of water to rinse clothes quickly and effectively. It only takes one rinse cycle, compared to 2 for conventional washers that have to fill up the tub to begin rinsing. It can even handle large loads without compromising on cleaning performance. LG's Turbo Wash cuts down washing time by half, reducing energy and water consumption by up to 17% and 10 liters respectively.